Hello, everybody. This is Christy. I'm a silver leader. I'm just going to have you go through my team building postings with me. So I've pulled up my Facebook. I have my Google Doc with my scripts that I use. I have all kinds of different scripts. It's running slow. There's a couple that I use more than others. Oh, that one we got way down there. But I have my Google Sheets where I document what group I posted in, how many followers they have in the group, and if it posted or if it's pending. And if there's any group rules, I make a note. So on my Facebook, I go into groups. Groups I've joined, I go to see all. And you can sort any way you want. I sort it one way and then I go down and look for groups that it's been 2 to 3 weeks that I've posted in. So I normally got to scroll a little bit. Okay, we're at a week, so we're getting closer. So remember, you want to be posting your team building posts in the morning and the evening, or even a couple in the afternoon, but you want to be doing like 15 posts a day. And you want to be joining groups that you can post in every day. I do about 5 to 7 in the morning and 5 to 7 at night. Okay, so here's some that are 2 weeks out. So I'll open a few of them. I normally just open like what's on the screen so I know where I've stopped. Okay, so now I open the first one. It doesn't look like I have any pending. So I'll click on my picture to see if I had any posts. And it looks like I don't. So they either didn't approve it or I've never posted in here before. So now I'm going to take, I have 66.6 members. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go to my spreadsheet, type in the number of members, post the link, and I normally type. And the reason I type it is because I'm seeing if there's a duplicate if it comes up, and nothing came up. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my posts. I'm going to copy the script. I'm going to post it in here. And then I'm going to open my file where I've got my team building graphics. I'm going to grab one and move it over and post it. So that one went straight through. So I'm going to come back over to my spreadsheet, and on 12/10/24, it posted. So now I can leave that one. This one says I have a pending post. So from November 24th, I still have one pending. So I'm going to try one more time. And if next time I see it, if it doesn't post, then I will either contact them or leave the group. So Australia and New Zealand, let me see. Australia and New Zealand. Where's the mouse at? So that looks like that's the one. Yeah, it is. So, we're going to do 12, 11, 24. Okay. All right. Go down. Okay. So I'm going to post, oops, I'm going to post another one and see what happens. I did not mean to, I already assumed it didn't go. Post it. Snag a picture. Now, when you're posting the same script over and over again, you're going to get flagged. So about every 2 or 3, I'll change a punctuation. Okay, so that didn't go through, and that's what I marked it as. So the next one is work from home opportunities. I don't have anything pending. Let's see. So on September 28th, I posted and it went through. So we're going to come back out here. It's got 8.9. I'm going to copy that. Yeah, I'll put the title in later, so you don't have to sit here and wait with me. Oops, I keep clicking that. So this is like the 3rd one. So when I go to post it in here, I'm just going to add an exclamation mark at the end and then pick an image, post. And it was submitted. So we'll come over here and do. Okay. So that's what I do. And I do that until I get 5 that posted. If they say pending, I keep going until I get 5 that posted. And I do that in the morning and the evening. So there's my yellow line from this morning, but I got sidetracked and didn't get to my 5, but I usually do. So, no, actually today is the 11th. Oh, I didn't get to this morning. Facebook was wonky. So that is kind of how I do my postings every morning and evening. And then I'll go in and I'll post my travel ad. A lot of times in the evening, I'll do my travel ad ahead of time, and then I'll post it in the mornings. If you have any questions, just ask.